This is the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for Monday, the 8th of July. I'm Michael Groff. Temperatures to remain below normal today, and then we'll see that warming trend through the rest of the week. Getting downright hot by the end of the week, and maybe some monsoon moisture creeps in too. Let's talk about it. First, the almanac from yesterday, 109 degrees for the high, 86 the low. We're just over a third of an inch behind where we should be on our rainfall for the year, and that deficit will continue to grow throughout the week. Outside right now, here at 11:30 a.m. We've got mostly sunny skies out there, 95 degrees at Sky Harbor. Dew points at 22, humidity 7%. The winds are light and the barometer is steady. Temperatures around the area right now, upper 90s. In fact, some spots poking over the century mark. South Phoenix, Collier, Glendale at 102. And we'll continue to see those numbers rise as we head into the afternoon. The upper air look, we've got a trough to the north of us, and that's going to knock down the ridge just a little bit, bringing in some, well, I hardly use the word cooler this time of year, but certainly temperatures that are a little bit lower than we have seen for the last few days. The watch warning map, that's an excessive heat watch in effect for the Phoenix area, much of Maricopa and parts of Yuma counties from Thursday morning until Friday evening. Elsewhere, some red flag warnings and various fire danger products throughout much of the west. Some flood and flash flood watches and warnings for parts of the middle Atlantic coast. Convective outlook for today, we've got the slight risk of severe storms over parts of eastern Wyoming, Montana, the Dakotas, northwest Minnesota, places like Bismarck, Grand Forks, Fargo, Crookston, Minnesota, Billings, Montana, and around Grand Island, Nebraska as well. Elsewhere, a marginal risk for much of the western plains. And the precipitation outlook valid through next Monday morning from the WPC. Rain amounts here in the valley, probably nothing. Statewide, some rain up along the rim and in the southeastern portion of our state as the monsoon will start to make its presence felt. And we'll get into the details of it now as we take a look at the models. Check it out, the GFS, the 12Z run, valid at 5 o'clock this afternoon. There's our trough passing to the north, a west-southwesterly flow aloft. So down at the surface, sunny skies today. And temperatures a bit cooler than they have been. Highs 101 to 104. Tonight, clear skies. Fairly pleasant for this time of year. Lows near 70 in the cool spots. Upper 70s in the urban core. And tomorrow, we'll tack on a couple of degrees. Sunny skies. Highs 104 to 107. Wednesday, start to see high pressure beginning to build in stronger now. So temperatures will continue to climb back to around 107 to 110. Then on Thursday, here comes some moisture as ridging sets up to the east. This is going to be a little bit of a tricky forecast temperature-wise for us in the valley. Southerly flow aloft, moisture starting to come in. Going to see a mix of sun and clouds for Thursday. In fact, I wouldn't even be surprised if it was more clouds than sun. Still, with the presence of high pressure around and good warm air advection coming in from the south, temperatures are going to be on the toasty side. I'd say highs between about 110 and 113, and pretty much the same thing for Friday. And with that moisture coming in, more cloud cover, that means those overnight lows are going way up. In fact, I wouldn't be surprised if we started out the day right around 90 on Friday. And so it is going to be excessively hot. And then the weekend, kind of the same thing. More monsoon moisture slowly creeps in. Widely scattered showers and thunderstorms for the mountains east of us. And I can't even rule out some patchy blowing dust, some gusty winds making its way into the valley sometime either Saturday or Sunday afternoon and evening. Thunderstorm threat still looks like it's going to stay away for a little while, but maybe just a little bit of blowing dust. High temperatures this weekend come down a couple of degrees as the moisture continues to come up. Humidity levels come up. Temperatures go down just a little bit. That's usually how it works during the monsoon. Then go down to a week from today. This is Monday, the 15th, and still we've got high pressure to the east and a broad southeasterly flow aloft, so moisture will continue to come in. At least a low-grade monsoon looks like the safe call right now. So widely scattered showers and thunderstorms to the mountains. Isolated showers and storms could make their way into the deserts. High temperatures between about 106 and 109. Going out 10 days, this is the end of the forecast period, Wednesday the 17th. And we're still looking at the same thing, a low-grade monsoon. High pressure is still around. Temperatures are still toasty. Highs between about 106 and 110 each day, and lows in the 80s. Checking out those temperatures off the GFS Ensemble. And again, I'll stress to you that the Ensemble is drier. It is trending drier than the deterministic models, and therefore it's got our high temperatures pushing up north of 115 degrees, up toward about 117, in fact. I think that's overdone, frankly, but We could still see highs easily getting up to around 113 or so for Thursday and Friday, and then maybe cooling off a bit for this weekend as those humidity levels come up. And that's going to do it for the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for today. My next video back here tomorrow morning. If you like our videos, be sure to subscribe so that whenever we post a brand new one, you'll get the notifications. Your comments, questions, and suggestions always encouraged as well. Thank you so much for watching. Be safe. Stay cool out there. You guys have yourselves a great Monday.